Hi everyone, this is a video that I have promised to make about this Samsung Buds Live accessories that I told you that is coming from China, and finally today it had arrived. And here I show you I have installed both of them here, and as you see is very well designed, that is just going over all of those designated opening and sensors, and somehow is really good. I am amazed by it. So let's talk about it, and then I tell you the pros and cons of this. And unfortunately I have ordered different colors, but they just only sent me black ones, and this is how they come in a packaging like so. I took just these two out just to show you how delicate they are, and if you look at the thickness, it's really thin but is very effective, and it has the left and right side on both of them, and totally I recommend them as they are really helping with the sound leakage and active noise cancelling. And I was amazed how good they are performing with these sleeves, somehow, if we can call it. And the pros, they are is really good. Is just isolating a little bit more against the outer noises, and somehow a little bit noise leakage from inside to outside is really helpful, and I totally recommend this. Now the cons. If you have a small ears, I told you in my video before that this one is not yours with or without this, but the only bad thing that I can say is that because it's going to make it a little bit thicker, as you see, but it's tiny bit. And I was again amazed when you are putting this in your ear, how it stays put in the same place that you placed it. So it's not going to push forward or twist or whatever, because it's silicone. But the proper way of doing this is to take this silicone part out and then install this perfectly and then put this back on. Because if I take this one out, you can see that is going deep to that part. So if this part is on, is not going to let you to just push it all the way up. And as you see now, I'm pushing it and try to twisting it, but it still stays put there. And I just put this back on. And remember, these you cannot put it on like any side round. This part, let me just show you, this part with this little, oh my god, this one is not going to, yeah, it's focusing now. This part with a dent here, it has to be positions towards this part. And if you are not sure about which part I'm talking about, one of them is a little bit longer. As you see, this one is a little bit longer than this part. So as you see, there is a little bit of gap in there just for this to flex and move around. But I totally recommend this, and I show you the other one as well, just to look at them. There are different colors. I show you the seller if you want. I ordered this. Let me just see when I have ordered this, and I tell you. Oh, another thing is, when you put this in there and shut the top, wait, let me just put these properly. When you shut the top, if you notice, is a little bit, let me just, yeah, it's just a little bit open, just a tad, but it's not going to affect the charging or anything else. But in general, you know, is fantastic. I totally recommend this to everyone who wants to enjoy the active noise cancelling and let less noise and sound out of your ears to the people who are sitting next to you maybe. Anyhow, this is it, and then I show you the seller. This is the listing on eBay, and each they are priced as at $4.98, and this is the seller. And I ordered this, let me just show you, 10th of November, and it arrived 25th of November. So 15 days, 2 weeks, and it's worth every penny. But remember that I told you before that this is not suitable for small ears, and with this one it's getting a little bit thicker. So I don't have any ways of showing you how effective the noise cancelling it would become when you are using this. But you only have to trust me. And when I'm telling you I am going to recommend this 100%, it's worth a try. Maybe you're gonna love it as much as I did. So it's really good, and that's really it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.